Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Why don't we bake rice pudding? First, boil 6 tablespoons of washed rice in 3 glasses of hot water. And for custard, cook 2 liters of whole milk and 2 glasses of sugar in another pot. And don't forget to stir both of them while cooking. In another deep bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of starch, half glasses of warm water as you see, when it gets smooth, add 2 egg yolk and keep on mixing. Now, add the mixture and rice to the boiling custard slowly by slowly. Now it's ready to pour the baking bowls. Take the bowl on a tray and half fill the tray with water as you see. Bake them 200 degrees heated oven till their tops get red. Your pudding will be ready to serve after keeping for 2 or 3 hours in a fridge. Your delicious and healthy puddings is ready. Good appetite and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.